quick video. I'll pick up these two Casablanca spirits of Saturns today. I'm testing them, but right now I got the Dayton on high and that Emerson back there on high. So it's cool while I go ahead and mount them up there. Quick update. The video of these fans will be coming up next. Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have the first IntelliTouch. Right now it's on test mode. Give it a second, so I gotta recycle through it. There we go. This one has slight damage to the light kit on the back. There's a crack on it. Besides that, it's just fine. Can't see it from this angle. Low speed, medium, low, medium. Medium high, high, full power. Turn silent and then come in there. Reversing. I've been looking for one of these for a while, but unfortunately I'm looking for the one that's black and chrome. So, it's still cool to find this one. It's not the version I'm looking for. Still very neat. The light turn off. Alright, so let's go to the control. Let's go ahead and power off. Give her a few seconds. Power on. Start with the light. Light, as you can tell, fully works. You hold it in, it gets dimmer. Let's go ahead and you have to hold it. Speed 1. A very nice ecstatic glow. Speed 2. Also, my cycle a little bit faster though. Well, I'm thinking about before I do any more. Let's go on this side. See that chip in the glass over there? It's just cracked through the entire thing. It's still someone solid T-stress. Has a nasty crack on that side. But from this angle you can't see it. Go ahead and go to speed 3, which is normal low speed for any other kind of fan. Still very nice. Speed 4. Like a medium, it's starting to move a lot of air. Speed 5. And last but not least, speed 6. And it's starting to be falling over. It's a little bit of a wobble to her. Slides up, moves great air. There's the tag. The tag is not say Casablanca Spirit Saturn on it. It is a blank tag, both of them are like that. That's that cap and catch. It's right here, along with the air screw. I don't install it because it's just a pain when I gotta test more than one. And it's not gonna go anywhere holding on by this sub 3. There's your 3 bulbs. The other one I think had only one bulb good, the other 2 are blown out, so I'll use these bulbs on the other one also. As you can tell, your own looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and do spin down on it. Power off. I'm gonna go over here for spin down. You got a little bit better lighting from the open garage door. That's what I've been using as lighting recently, to open garage doors. It actually worked pretty well. But yeah, the guy I got these from, he had these two and he took them down. $10 each. I'm really surprised that's what he wanted for them. But I'm passing on the savings. I'm going to go ahead and put these on probably on eBay. Starting bid probably start the bid at $20. We'll see what happens from there. This one is the one that has that damaged light tail on the other side once again. It looks fine as long as you have that damage towards like a certain side where you're not going to see it. Overall, great fan. And these fans do come with the control when I sell them on eBay or someone wants to buy one from me. If you're buying them directly from me, I am asking for at least a price of $75. If they're going on eBay, I'm going to do a lower price. That way we'll see if how many people are interested and we'll see where the bid goes. eBay also gets to a wider audience. This Casablanca Spirit Saturn, as you can see, is in great condition. The flywheel is good. All the screws are there. Everything's there, fully complete. Very good fan. I believe you can buy these spare bulbs at Home Depot, I believe. I'm not exactly sure, but I know you can buy them. There's a little view that I like it. But yeah, cool. Not black and chrome what I'm looking for. That's why I'm going to be selling these. As to the blades, let's see, that one's good, that one's good. That one's good. Looks like there's a little bit of damage on that one blade right there. If you look around the tip, you can kind of see it. But it's no big deal. You could easily paint over it if you needed to. Very, very good spin down on these fans. And these have the stack motors on them. Another hot day here in Florida. Fortunately, this garage with the fans off, it just kills me. But the garage door being open, at least get some breeze in here. A little bit. God, sorry, it's getting sweat up my arm. It's annoying me. And there you go, she finally stopped. Thanks for watching. Second one's coming up next.